So you might be looking for a way to basically automatically loop slides here in Google Slides. Well, in this case, looping and autoplaying your presentation is actually pretty easy. So first thing that we want to do is you want to access your actual presentation here, and we want to go ahead and use the presentation window. So typically speaking, you want to go to the very top here. You have slideshow. You can go and click on the drop down option here, and you want to go and choose the option here that says start from beginning. Now, from here, you should see your presentation. But if you go to the bottom left here, you should see a bunch of icons. So you want to go and click on the three dotted icon you see here, but at the bottom. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says autoplay now. From here, you can go and basically specify a few things. So how many seconds it's going to basically move to another slide here. So let's say every 2 seconds, you could select another one, like every 30 seconds or every minute. Now, for this one, you can also choose the loop option here, which in this case allows you to loop your presentation just in case it finishes the presentation. Let's go and choose loop here. Let's go and click on the play option. Now, every 2 seconds, our presentation will move around. As you can see, I'm not moving anything, but the presentation is just moving. So yeah, in this case, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.